It's day one of Art Basel. Let's get into it. I'm at the Miami Beach Convention Center, and do you see how much art is here? Okay, this is my first time working as press for Art Basel, and I am so hype. Let's see this art. So I have two goals. Number one, don't get lost. And number two, to see what pieces of art resonate with me and why. As an artist, a painter to be exact, I feel pretty stuck in my craft as of late, and being here, I know I'm going to find so much inspiration. I really like the idea of adding writing to the bottom of pieces. I'm definitely loving the mirrors with art in the middle. This one is profound because from a distance it just looks like a beautiful paradise, tropical, and then you see closely, people are literally being killed, trees are being burnt, they're being scorched, people are being drowned. You can see there's snakes hitting people, animals, people are just dead and it's complete destruction. Like, wow, just war and chaos. But from a distance, you wouldn't be able to tell at all. And then this piece reminded me so much of my own work called Love is a Verb. I'm like, is this a sign from God? Because look at the puzzle pieces, the colors, how it comes together. I'm like, wow. And then I fell madly and deeply in love with the work of April Bay. Can you see this colonial swag with all the textures and the colors and the power and just how different every portion of the piece is, but how it all comes together? It's 3D, it's tapestry, it's leather, it's felt, it's beads. I was like, I need more information.
Her childhood, her chore was to
hang the clothes outside.
Yes. And so that's what it's referencing. Yeah, these works are fabulous, and then the beads also kind of reference having, you know, your hair braided as well.
All I have to say is that April Bay, you are Bay, and I'm a huge fan now. Okay, you're stuck with me forever because your work is stunning. I'm obsessed. You're looking at art for 3 hours. I have to say I'm blown away. And I did not make a dent in that place, because when I say it's like IKEA with art inside of it, like I didn't do anything. But there were so many amazing pieces that really caught my eye and inspired me. And I'm in the mood of going home and like working on my piece that's half done and adding media and materials to it for the first time, like fabric, which I have at my house, or I have weave at my house. I think I may add it to my piece as well, because life is short, and if there's anything I'm noticing with this art is it's imperfect, it's open for interpretation, it's unique, it's abstract, it's mixed media, it's 3D, it's something that looks different from different perspectives. Like it's a lot of pieces that have that element to it, and I'm about to do that right now. So let me go.